beginners, this one can get a little bit tricky, but I'm going to walk you through it. Options prices, when you look at them, are made up of two value premiums. First, you have intrinsic value, and then second, you have extrinsic value. Now, the premium is the total price that you pay to open a call trade or a put trade. That premium is made up of those two components. Intrinsic value is the portion of the premium representing real value. In other words, that's the amount of money you'd make if you exercise the option immediately.
I have an annuity, but I need cash now.
So say, for example, you have the right to buy Microsoft for $110 per share. And currently, Microsoft trades at $112 per share. Awesome, right? In this case, your option has $2 of intrinsic value. So here's the math. The stock, it's trading for $112. You have the right to buy it at $110. So $112 minus $110 is $2 of intrinsic or real value. I mean, that's easy, right? You get that?
Makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so now let's say that option, which has $2 of intrinsic value, is currently trading for $3.50. This is where people get confused, right? That additional $1.50 in premium is called extrinsic value. Now, extrinsic value is the difference between the market price of an option, which is the premium, and its intrinsic value. So that can be confusing. We're going to break this down. Here we go. Using the same example, you know that your Microsoft call is worth at least $2, which is intrinsic value. But say it has 3 weeks left before it expires. All right, during that 3 weeks time, it could keep going up or some good news can come out, which impacts the price going forward. So that remaining $1.50 of extrinsic value, that accounts for the remaining 3 weeks of time. News flow, market volatility, any of that, right? So when you combine the $2 of intrinsic value with the $1.50 of extrinsic value, that's how an option premium is priced, which in this case would total $3.50. Now, as a trading hack for beginners, always position size correctly. Position sizing, that refers to the number of units traded by a trader. So when you're just starting out, always position size at the same rate. And what I mean by that is always place the same amount into every new trade. In other words, never place $200, for example, into one trade and then $1,500 into the other trade. That is not correct position sizing. Until you're a more experienced trader, always use proper position sizing to avoid the risk of one trade going against you, because I'm sure you've seen it. That $200 trade will be the winner, your $1,500 trade will be the loser, and then you're not ahead. So always, when you're just starting out, position size correctly. And there you go. That's your basic AF beginner's guide to trading on understanding how options are priced. If you like this training video and you'd like even more beginner's tips, I'm willing to send you my full report totally free. Click that button below and I will fire you a copy immediately. As always, I'm Bryan. You know the tagline: stop hating, start trading. Get that report. See you soon, guys.